energy. It connects us closely, leads us on the unknown journey to step into the world we call home. It is the spark that ignites creativity. It is scaffold for building dreams. Energy brings us together. Either way, on the stage of work, in the paradise of knowledge, or at the cozy home, a future with clean energy will connect us all. From the bustling streets of the city to the tranquil trails in the countryside, traveling through everywhere we go, our power lies in the connection. Day in and day out, Yanan provides solution for our homes. On the path of creating connections, we're keeping moving. From 3 kilowatt to 3,000 kilowatt, from standby to primary, from open to silent. We satisfy you every moment when you need power. We always connect to the journey of innovation, in company with you into the uncharted land, continuously exploring a green future. As one of the 30 initiators of the letter to General Secretary Xi Jinping, in every corner of the world, we hold hands with our partners. Embracing the power of innovation, we connect people's needs, connect sustainable development to create a new era of power solutions. Yanan connects the world with energy, connecting to the future.